if you're at all like me, and I suspect you are, you're always needing to get yourself some adrenaline to get moving on the next part of the project. We recently put the doors on this car because we got a new door, but I put this door on as well, saying something was happening. And well, today, this is it. This is what's happening. This is what's got me so excited. Been waiting a long time for this to happen. Not as long as getting it off the rotisserie, but it's pretty exciting. So over there, there's something that I'm gonna bring over here, and we're gonna take a look at it and have some fun today. Are you ready to have some fun? Let's do it. I'm Mike. You're watching My Car Shop. The box is practically unwrapping itself. It's so excited. This was where I was holding on to it. So this package came from my buddy John over at the Life at Speed channel. Yep. This is something he and I have been talking about for, I hate to say how long, a long time. It was on me. There were some things that I needed to take care of on my end, but it all came together and the planets aligned, and he was able to get it shipped out to me last week, and I got it now. So I am so pumped and excited to share this with you. I got to figure out how to unpackage it here. I think the way I'm going to unpackage it is just right along here. We got all kind of stuff in here. It's made a long trek from California. Well, I need something different, is what I'm saying. I found something different. It's a complete set of interior panels for the Stitches Challenger. He purchased new for his car, and he graciously donated the old ones to Stitches. Whoop, slippery. This is so awesome. I was going to make all of this stuff out of steel. And it's just another one of those things that just saves me so much time. Wow. This is awesome. It's awesome. So I think what I'm going to do is we're going to stick some of them on the car and just see what they look like. Because that would be fun, wouldn't it? I think it would be fun. Well, it's being kind of ornery. There, that's perfect. It's perfecter. It's perfecter than a perfect thing. Is this the correct one? No, this is the... Yeah, this is right. Interesting. They're a little tight. I think I'm going to have to put in a screw or six to get them in there. It's almost like it's a little short. Obviously, it can't be because it came out of his car. But okay, that's what I'm going to do. Be right back. A little bit hard to see with the seat in there. I need to get that out of the way. But I think it looks awesome. I have my special door opener bolt in here. These seats are heavy. There we go. There we go. There. Now you get a good look at her. Isn't that awesome? I'm going to do the other side. That is so awesome. I want to put the rest of the interior in now. Wouldn't it be cool? Put the dash and everything in there. That would just be... I could hear the cat. Would that be your meow? Huh? Flash. Not Flash. Good Lord. That's your mother. Actually, Flash is your grandmother. I don't know. Flash is your something, but Flash is dead and gone. So anyway, Thing. Is that your meow? I can't tell you how I feel right now. It's surreal. I can't believe we have these. It's a game changer. It feels, from when I brought it home, I had one of these. It was white and it was falling apart. Matter of fact, I need to go look at it because I think there might be an insert missing. I think there is. I might have one. Anyway, I can make all that stuff. I might make it out of aluminum. It'll look pretty cool. But anyway, for a car that, you've heard me say ad nauseum, but rotted basically from the toe board to the back bumper. All the floor pans were gone. The frame rails were shot. Floor pan in the trunk was gone. Gas tank mount strap was shot. Not the strap, but the gas tank support, trunk floor support. Everything that we put into this car to get it to this point where it's looking like a car, and that's pretty crazy. Yes, we have all the back window work to do, all the windshield work to do, all of the cowl work to do. But I'm just like geeked out because I'm thinking about what it's going to look like when we get the RT hood on it. Don't have one yet. I've had several close opportunities for RT hoods, but we don't have one yet. That'll come together in the right time. I don't need it yet. I'll drive it without a hood if I have to. But yeah, I don't know. It's pretty crazy. So window cranks are no problem. I know I have that. I don't know what Challenger door handles look like, but I've got some Dart ones. Or pickup. I got some pickup ones that might work. I'm going to go see if I can find those. I love it. They're totally wrong, but they'll work. And the nice thing is I can modify these easily. This one probably should be over on the other side, but I've got bunches of these around. I just got to find them. I just happened to grab these off of an extra pickup door that I had. And this one's the wrong thread here, so I'll get that sorted out. But point is, it's not right for a Challenger, so it's perfect for stitches. I'm thinking we'll make aluminum insets to go in here, and I just need to come up with a plan for some armrests. But that is awesome. Very, very cool. I'm loving it. I'm going to go look at my other door panel because I may have that in there, and then I could use that as a pattern to make stuff. Let's go do that. So I have a box of door handles and window cranks around somewhere, a lot of pickups, because I have about 6 pickup doors that I've stripped. So I'll find them. The warehouse is still an absolute disaster, so I'll just have to dig around and find that stuff. But all I have to do on those inner door handles, I know they're not right. Okay, that's not the point. But all I have to do is shorten them a little bit. And boy, I got some dart ones around somewhere out of an earlier dart also. Anyway, all I have to do is shorten them and re-drill the hole, and they'll be perfect. Are they going to look factory? No, I don't care. They'll open the door. That's what we're after. And they work well. So, cool. And again, the window cranks. I know they're not right. But, if it infuriates the purist, if it infuriates the original Air and the Spare crowd, then I'm all about that. And the center console that we made the aluminum top for the 4-speed, I'm going to make aluminum panels to go into the door to match. So everything will come together. And I may even... I had another idea. I may talk to my buddy Ray. It might be quite pricey, but we'll see. We'll see. I got ideas is what I'm saying. So, all right. It's a little one, but it's been a fun one. I've been up catting around the warehouse and just, yeah, if the weather is actually breaking a little bit, and it's almost motivating. So this is a Tuesday night. I never come out here during the week, but this week when this box showed up, I just had to. So, John, thank you. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it a million times over. This saved me so much time and effort you can't even begin to imagine. I know you can because you also fabricate. Because I was going to make it all out of tin, but this is even better as far as I'm concerned. So check out his channel, Life at Speed. Let's twist his arm to get him back out there making content. He's got a car that's wasn't as rusty as this, but is bad, and he's doing something super, super cool with it, and he's just getting started. So let's get him motivated to get him out there and talk about that project. All right, that'll do it for this one. We'll catch you on the next one. I appreciate you being here. Like, share, subscribe. We have channel memberships for as little as $5 a month. And one more thing, because it's important. Don't forget.